Here we come to the elevator at Executive Plaza in Bryan, Texas. It's a classic Dover traditional with an Adams replacement call button. Listen to that door slam. Perfect sound. Got a perfect sound of that bell without the car zooming. A little bit low on oil. Your phone, fixtures. This thing reminds me of like the one at the Pavilion building at A&M. Same exact motor. Same motor, same exact everything. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.